Cryptocurrency. SNX Synthetix. Synthetix is a decentralized synthetic asset issuance protocol built on Ethereum. It is the backbone of Defi's derivatives trading, allowing anyone, anywhere to gain on-chain exposure to a wide range of assets. The total value locked in Synthetix is over $2.742 billion. SNX is the native token of Synthetix. It collateralizes synthetic assets. When the token is locked into a contract, a synthetic asset can be issued. This pooling of collateral models allows users to perform transformations between synths directly using smart contracts, eliminating the need for counterparties. Synth currently has a collateralization ratio of 750%, although this ratio may be increased or decreased in the future through community governance mechanisms. There are some risks in the current architecture. One is that users need to burn synths than they originally had when exist and unlock staked SNX. Another thing is that a number of aspects of the system are centralized, which needs trust from users.